So in this example, we are going to create a folder and we are going to name that folder as FSO folder. So that I am going to create on my desktop. Okay. So let's have a look on this first. So you know the script, the same script again. So set FSO file system object is equal to create object. So now we are going to create a folder, right? So very simple. And one more thing before to this actually. So here I am creating a notepad. So I'm going to write all the scripts here, all the script what you are trying to do on this class. I'm going to write all the scripts actually here, and I'm going to upload it. You people can simply download that. Okay. Yeah. So this file, like creating folder, like everything, what we are going to do now that I'm literally going to write in this notepad so that it's easily downloadable to you. So set. So you can take any variable. I have taken as F1, file 1 or something like that, or folder 1. FSO dot set FSO dot create folder and give the path where exactly you want to create it. So I want to create it on my desktop with a name called FSO folder. Simple. So let me run the test. Here we go. So let me open my desktop now. FSO folder has been successfully created. So like this we can create a new folder. So creating a folder. So one thing like actually first you need to check whether the required folder is existing or not. If it is not existing then it should open create it. So I'm running it, just have a look on this. Already have a FSO folder on the screen, but still I am trying to run the script one more time. So it is throwing an error message saying that file already exists. So what I do is first I will check that whether the required file is, I mean to say whether that folder is existing or not. If that folder is existing, then it's okay. If that folder is not existing, only in that circumstances it should create a FSO folder. Else it should not. That is what actually I am planning to write. Very simple. So if the so and so file is existing, then no need to do anything. If it is not existing, then create the required file. Okay. So let's see that how to create it depending on the requirement. if FSO dot folder, just have a look on this. Very simple syntax. FSO dot folder exist. If it is existing, if it is existing, then no need to do anything, or else simply saying if it is not existing, then okay. So if FSO dot folder exist is equal to false, means if it is not existing, okay, if it is not existing, then try to create a new one. We want that location, right? Here we go. So FSO folder exists if this folder existing is equal to false, means if it is not existing, then create folder. So don't want else. If it is there, it will create. Else, it will do nothing actually. So that is what I want. Let me check. I have a FSO folder. Have FSO folder already on the screen. FSO folder. So if it is existing, then don't do anything. If it is not existing, then create a new one. That is what the script I have written. So actually, the same folder already existing. So it will check for it. It is existing. That is the reason it will not add any new one in the list. Simple. Just executes it. Okay. So let me take like this. FSO folder 1. So actually FSO folder 1 is not existing. If FSO folder 1 is not existing, then create that folder. Simple. I'm running the test now. So let's have a look on the things. FSO folder 1 has been created. So this is how we can do it, creating a folder. If it is existing, then no need to create. If it is not existing, then create it. That is what actually I have given. Let me copy this for you. Next, we'll see copying a file to this folder. Okay, so we have created a folder, two folders we have. So let's work with FSO folder. I don't want FSO folder 1. So let's work with FSO folder only. So but have a file, right? Earlier we have created a file with FSO example 1. So this file I need to move, or else I need to copy from this location and I need to add that into FSO folder. Okay, so we'll do that.